everyone, my name is Savannah Cunningham and I'm a third-year student pharmacist at Mercer University College of Pharmacy in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm going to be answering some common questions about being a student pharmacist. I decided to go to pharmacy school because I worked as a pharmacy technician throughout undergrad, and I knew that it would be an awesome career to help serve patients and build long-term relationships. To prepare to go to pharmacy school, in college I majored in biology and graduated with my degree in 2018, and I also worked as a pharmacy technician for 4 years all through undergrad. I now serve as a pharmacy ambassador, which means that I help with admissions here on Mercer's campus. So my biggest advice to future student pharmacists when going for your interviews is to not be nervous. We just want to get to know you and make sure that you're a good fit for our college just as much as you're making sure that our college is a good fit for you. My favorite part of pharmacy school is being involved. There's so many opportunities to join organizations, travel for professional conferences, present research, and enjoy a lot of fun activities and events on campus. The most difficult part of pharmacy school is the pace at which we learn material. We have a test almost every single week. Sometimes also we have quizzes and extra tests thrown in there, and it can be really hard to adjust from undergrad where you're used to a much slower pace. My biggest advice to help stay on top of all of the material would be to study every night when you get home. So we have class every single day, and every single day I go through my PowerPoint and write out all my notes from that day's material. Staying on top of time management is a skill that you'll definitely have to learn during pharmacy school. Whether you have a job or you have other activities or organizations that you're taking part in, plus studying, there's a lot going on, and making sure that you have a really nicely laid out calendar is the best way to stay ahead. The best way to meet new people in pharmacy school is to get involved. Join organizations, go to events, be present. That's the only way that you're going to make these new connections. Especially now during the time of COVID, things can be really tough, but join those Zoom calls, introduce yourself to people via email, reach out on social media. There are still so many opportunities for you to get to know fellow student pharmacists across the country. I hope you enjoyed this little Q&A session and maybe learned a little bit about pharmacy school. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. And I hope that everyone has a happy Pharmacist Week.